Wouldn't it be nice if you get to view your Excel data in different formats before you get it printed? The Workbook View Group in View tab allows you to see the layout of your Excel data in the format of your choice. Let's get to know what type of layouts are available in Excel. The way your worksheet looks when you start MS Excel is known as the normal layout. But you also want to check how your document will appear on a page. That's when you can use the page layout option. Let's see how your worksheet will look on getting printed. Now, let's learn about the page break preview layout. This allows you to view the cells that you have selected specifically. It's almost similar to the previous layout, but now the remaining area of the page which has no data will appear blank. Neat. Another feature that eases your work is the Custom Views option. Suppose you are working on a sheet which has a huge amount of data under different categories. Custom Views option allows you to select a particular category and give it a title. When you are working in a timeline crunch and don't want to scroll infinitely, click on Custom Views option in View tab, which will open up a dialog box. Select the name of the category you are looking for and click Show. The cursor moves to the category and activates it.